Right now, the Covington Drive fire is at 85% containment and has burned for 31 days. News 13's Gracie Fusco tells us how resources are being stretched between the fire in Horry County and those in the upstate.
Residents in Carolina Forest tell me they are still feeling the impacts of this fire, and officials say they're feeling a strain on resources as 3 major fires are currently burning in the state. South Carolina Forestry Commission officials tell me the Table Rock fire is just shy of 14,000 acres and 30% contained. The Persimmons Ridge fire is just over 2,000 acres and is 64% contained. With incidents of this size and magnitude, forestry officials say in the beginning resources get stretched pretty thin and they feel a strain. However, with all 3 fires being so large and impacting so many, they are able to utilize resources from other counties and states.
We've been able to import a lot of out-of-state resources, smoke jumpers, hotshot crews, fire departments for other states. Can't say enough about our own fire departments here in South Carolina. We can't do this without so many cooperators' help. We just wouldn't even have time to list them all.
Among those going to the upstate to help fight these fires is Horry County Fire Rescue. Officials say the groups go for about 5 days, then come back to switch off.
They're working really hard. There's a lot of smoke. There's a lot of fire to respond to. They're part of the bigger effort up there, and we're just proud to have the knowledge base, the training, and the skill to be able to send some value resources up there where it's needed.
Coming up on News 13 at 6, hear more from the Forestry Commission as well as a Carolina Forest resident who says she is still fearful but thankful for first responders. Reporting in Carolina Forest, Gracie Fusco, News 13.